I started in the steelworks with Sharp Brothers first, and then I started on a loading shovel, and then I worked my way up, and then on different types of machines and everything. Then I became a supervisor, and then I went back onto the machines, and then I became a trainer. And then I was doing the mix then, I was training, plus I was working the job. When I heard about the redundancies, I was very disappointed, and I wasn't expected to be made redundant so quick. I was there at 21 years, and to just stop, it was a shock to the system. I didn't know where to go when I first became unemployed, and I was directed to the community hub in the town centre. And then I was directed then over to here, where I met Rian. I needed my plant tickets, and they sorted all my training up for me, the days, the time, the dates and everything, and the funding with COTS training, and it was just amazing. In my future plans, I'm going to work on HS2 because of the employability funding and everything. The support from Rian I had was over and above. If I had a problem, or if I wasn't sure about anything, they were on the end of the phone, or I could text her or email, and they would always sort something out for me. Don't be afraid to ask. And there is support there. So the employability, and you can put all the council and the funding available for you. That will help you to get jobs and in other areas and in different fields which you're not used to.
We are here to help you guys. We're here to help enhance your skills. Please, 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 I can reiterate that. Come down and speak to us. See what we can do to help and support you. That's what we're here for. We have the Opportunity Hub, and we've also got the support centre that are all based in Aberafan Shopping Centre. There is a contact email on MPT Council's website, and also a phone number. Just reach out to us. As you've seen from Anthony, we are here to support. We will help you reach your end goals, which is to get another job opportunity somewhere else.